And then in the last few years, daily expiry contracts have shown up for, of course, many indexes. And today we have contracts that last 24 hours on a lot of things. And it is continuing to go this direction. It will continue to evolve. In 5 years from now, it is my prediction that options on everything will go daily, weekly, monthly. You will be able to buy and sell and create contracts on Apple that expire tonight, that get created Monday morning and die Monday afternoon. You guys are finding out from your buddy, Uncle Bruce, that this options business is going to go to daily options expiries in the next 3 to 5 years on everything, every stock, every index, you name it, which means you'll be able to create iron condors at 10 in the morning and get out at 2 in the afternoon. You'll be able to create and trade condors pre-market, during market, and post-market every day. So options won't expire at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. They'll expire at 8 o'clock at night. And down the road further, options will be good for 24 hours. They begin at 12:01 midnight and they die at 11:59 midnight the same day. It's coming. It's only a matter of time. And you will enter trades into your machine and you will be doing pre-order transactions on your contracts going forward. And you're going to have artificial intelligence help you to do it. And your brokerage firms, who are your best friends to get you to do more trading, are going to help you with systems that will allow you to pre-enter orders for Tuesday next week on SPY index options based on various factors. And if the SPY and the indexes and everything move this way, this way, or this way, or this way, you will have 15 possibilities of trades that will take place with artificial intelligence on your behalf. And you will still be the slowest guy in the room, because the quickest guy in the room are the hedge funds with the multi-billion-dollar trading systems that have 1 nanosecond faster speed than you will ever have. This is coming. This is where we are going. Stocks will soon trade 24/7, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Options will trade 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. And this is the new normal that we're going to.